Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create public profile on Snapchat, right? Let's get back into our Snapchat mobile application here. Once you're here, then on the top right you will see the settings icon, right? Just scroll a little bit down, right? Just scroll a little bit down and somewhere you will get this option of send me notification set to everyone, right? Then view my story, go to the customs, and if you see a option of everyone you can select everyone, otherwise keep friends only, right? Then just click on continue and just select friends and contacts, right? Or even though if you don't do it, that's fine, but make sure that turn on the notification for everyone. Once you go back, you will get this option of my public profile, right? To make ensure, you have to click on my public profile. So this is your public profile. You can add your profile icon, right? And of course you have to add a story here. So for example, I will just click on continue, right? I can just select any of the photo here, for example memories or something, and for example let's say I select this one, I click on the next, and again I will just click on the next and finish, right? So basically once you do that, then you will able to create a public profile on Snapchat, right? So it's not very hard, it's very easy, right? So this is how you can set up your public profile. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.